Hello everyone, welcome back to Free Info Friday. I hope you all had wonderful holidays. Today I wanted to discuss a little bit about workers' comp again. I had been getting some questions, pretty much just the general question was, why do you need a workers' compensation attorney? Why can't you just go at it by yourself? What does an attorney bring to you that you can't do on your own? So that's what I'm going to go over today. And to me, there's really three main points about that. So why do you need a workers' compensation attorney? The first and most obvious answer is for the legal knowledge. I know the process. I know what needs to be done. I know approximately how long it takes. I know what happened in similar cases. I know the typical compensation that cases similar to yours might come out to. And I have reasonable expectations because I've done this before. I know what typically happens. Some people come to me with unreasonable expectations on both ends of the spectrum. So I've had some people come to me and say, I just want my medical bills paid. And well, that's fine, but you could also potentially be entitled to compensation for your injury. And then on the other side of the spectrum, I've had clients come to me saying, "Oh, I had a minor injury, but I think I'm going to get $15,000 for this." Well, that's not exactly typical, and that's something that myself or an attorney can kind of explain to you and give you sort of a ballpark figure. What case is typical to yours see? What I'm hoping that we get? What's the best case scenario? What's the worst case scenario? Things like that. That's all things that I have experience in, all things that other workers' compensation attorneys have experience in, so they can help guide you through that process with their legal knowledge and their experience in handling these kinds of cases. So the second reason that I think you should get a workers' compensation attorney after you've been injured at work is that it costs no money to you up front. So the Indiana Workers' Compensation Board is very strict on attorneys' fees. They set the fees, not the attorneys themselves. The Workers' Compensation Board sets the fees. So for Indiana, the attorney's fees are a minimum of $200 plus 20% of any lump sum settlement under $50,000. If a lump sum settlement is over $50,000, then the attorney fees drops to 15% of that settlement. So there's virtually no upfront cost to you. Even if you lose your case and you don't get any money out of it, the only thing you may be out of is $200. So it's no risk to you up front. Everything that you pay to the attorney is going to be after the case. It's all contingent, is what we call that. It all depends on your case. So it's no money to you up front. You don't need to worry about paying an attorney to get one. It's something that we deal with after the case is closed. And finally, the third, and to me, the most important reason to get an attorney for a workers' compensation claim is for the support system. Someone you can call to say, hey, why is this taking so long? Is this normal? Or, hey, I just saw my doctor and, I'm worried about how it went. Or anything like that. You can call me. You can tell me what's going on. I'll keep you posted every step of the way. Call me with any questions you have, and I can explain the process to you in terms that you'll understand and in terms that make sense. So the most important reason to me to get an attorney is for that support system. Someone that you can call and ask questions when you have questions and get the answers that you deserve. That's one of the best reasons to have a workers' compensation attorney. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. If you've been injured at work, feel free to reach out. I give free consultations. I will talk to you for no cost. And like I said before, workers' compensation attorney, you don't owe any fees until after your case is settled. So I hope you all are staying safe out there. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. And as always, call, text, email, Facebook message for anything. I look forward to working with you all. Thank you.